Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna about some crazy DIY ideas that you can try when you're bored, and they are really fun to do. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please press that red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So now let's start. For the first DIY, you will need a glass jar and some objects to put inside the jar. Here I am using a small photo, but remember the photo should be properly laminated, otherwise it will get spoiled inside the water. Adding some artificial flowers and stones to cover my lid. Only use hot glue gun or any other strong glue that can stay inside the water for long. Now add different types of glitters to your jar. Even simple golden glitter can also work. Time to add good amount of glycerine. This is totally optional, but this will help our glitter to float in the water. Now fill the jar with distilled water almost till the top and carefully close the lid. Here our DIY photo glitter globe is ready. For the next DIY, you will need a bowl full of water, nail pins of your choice, and a plain white mug. Slowly pour the nail paint inside the water. Here I am using two different colors. Using a wooden stick, mix the nail paint to make a random pattern. Slowly place your mug inside the water for few seconds and you will get beautiful marble print on your mug. For the next nail paint mug, you just need to make an alphabet with the paper tape or a washi tape. Now using air bath and nail paint, make dots of different size around your tape. And yes, most importantly, don't forget to coat your nail paint marks with the generous amount of Mod Podge to make them waterproof and smudge free. Once you're done, remove the tape and let it dry. In this way, you can customize your own mark with different designs and patterns. For the next DIY, you will need a good candle. Now, leaving the stand of the candle which is at bottom, cut the candle carefully. In this way, you can get your wick from the candle itself. Now add crayon colors depending on the shade of the color you want. Here I wanted the light pastel shades, so I added little amount of crayon color. Now using double boiler method, melt your wax. After that, use any glass container and place the wick in the middle. Pour the wax and let it set for few minutes. Like this, make layers of different colors one after another. Leave it to set for few hours and you will see that the candle has left the container and it is ready to use.